Cracking your neck feels good until it makes things worse. Your brain gets a quick pain relief and a dopamine response. So you crack it and crack it and crack it again. That pop, it's not your spine going back into place. Over time, this can overstretch ligaments, make your neck less stable, irritate nerves, and turn temporary tension into chronic neck pain, headaches, and stiffness. At Remix Medical, we break that cycle. We assess posture, joint stability, muscle imbalance, and nerve function. Then, create a personalized plan with targeted therapy, mobility work, and medical guidance to fix the root cause, not just the symptoms. Tag the chronic neck cracker in your life.